Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a kind of style lookbook, but before I jump to it I have some watches to show you guys. Now these are from a company called JunoMallet London, and I fell in love with this kind of gold and green watch as soon as I saw it. You'll understand why. But and they're not just, they're really cool watches because they're not just a plain old watch. You can actually like change the watch faces or put charms in them. Like you can actually like match them to your outfit a little bit. So this is the watch. I'm just in love with this. Like, so this is how they come. They come in these really nice like little marbly boxes. Sorry, I kind of got too excited and just skipped that part. So you can see the cushion here. So this is where the gorgeous watch sits, and then this is the interchangeable watch face. Now this is going to be quite hard to show you guys on camera because it's like mother of pearl. I wonder if it will focus. There you go. So you can see it's a mother of pearl watch face. Or the one that I'm in love with, it almost looks like malachite, which is a mineral, and most of you guys know that I'm a geologist, so I was just obsessed with this. Look at the detailing on that, and it's just got little diamonds around the edge, and I love the strap because I normally wear a brown leather watch all the time, which has like ammonites around it. That's like my go-to favorite watch, and for me to like allow another watch into my life, it has to be something special. And this like gold and green, I wear green all the time and it just clicked. I was just in love with it. And to interchange the watch faces, it's very simple. You just rotate this little piece here, and what it does is this will then come off, and then you just push the face out and you interchange the other one in. So very, very simple, you know, very easy to do. You don't need to be a watch expert to do it. And it just goes like that. And so I'll put this one on because it matches. So this is going to be the watch I wear today. So I'm just gonna, it's always a bit fiddly getting them on yourself. There we go. And what's lovely is it's a really nice size because I have very tiny wrists. So I don't want my wrist to be kind of drowned by a watch face. And this is just so delicate. Well, I didn't actually close it. So it's so delicate, so you can see it all the way around here. It's a perfect fit. It comes with all the tools you need to adjust the strap and just make it like perfect for you. So that's it with the green one on, which just look how vibrant it is. I'm obsessed with it. And then the other watch they have at the moment is so gorgeous. I think this one's really nice if you kind of like the kind of more like blingy stuff, and it's got these charms that you actually put in yourself, so you can put less in and they'll move around, or you can put different things in, and you can see the little watch face in the center. My first thought is that this will be so lovely for like a little girl, but not like little, maybe like 12 or 13, because they love this sort of stuff. But I'm now thinking that I can't, when do people know how to read the time? Because maybe this isn't the most little girl friendly watch face. It's more of an adult watch face because it's very, very small, but it's so delicate and so beautiful. I really, really love it. Like, how lovely is that for kind of like the Christmas holidays? Just beautiful. So massive thank you to JunoMallet. Everything will be linked down below if you'd like to shop there or get anyone a gift. They are really gorgeous watches, and I'm just, look at this. This is gonna be, I'm gonna wear this like all the time. It's gonna be one of my new go-to pieces, I think, and I really love that it comes with two watch faces. That just makes it so versatile because for me, I love green, but if you're someone who doesn't wear green a lot, this is a really gorgeous mother of pearl. And they do a lot of different combinations. So this is just obviously two of their watches. Do check out their website because they have a lot of stuff. So it's very, very cool. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a lookbook now for you guys where I'm going to be styling 6 handbags that I recently got. So you guys might have seen, I'll link it down below if you didn't, but it's the JW Pie? I'll write it on the screen. They're a lovely sustainable brand that makes all their bags out of recycled materials and old plastic bottles, and they're vegan leather, which is awesome. So this is one of them, and so as you can see I'm kind of ready to style it, but they're all very cool colours and fabrics, and so ever since they've arrived I've been like just really excited to try and style them, and so that's what today's video is going to be. It's going to be a lookbook where we try and make outfits for all these bags out of just stuff I have in my luggage, because for those of you who don't know, I'm in Greece currently, which is great, but it means that all my clothes have to go in a suitcase. So to try and style 6 different handbags with a limited number of clothes is a challenge, but I like challenges, so let's get to it. So outfit number 1, we're going as a green goddess of some sort. Well, I just put goddess on the end of that for fun, but as you can see, there's a lot of green going on here, but I think it works because they're all slightly different, but when you're wearing this much green, just go with it. But I'm obsessed with this bag. Like, how cute is that? It just really, like, brings to life any outfit, and I love it. It's so soft. I feel like I could use this as a pillow. Amazing. So this is how I style bag number 1. So I went digging, and this is the best I could find for yellow. So we've got the yellow in the center of the flowers, and I think it actually matches really well. Sorry, the glare of my camera was massive then. So you can see that it's just kind of, it's subtle, but it works because I love to like match things like properly, like color and color, but it's also nice to contrast a little bit sometimes. But no, I think this is a very cute look, and I love the color of this bag. Like, how cute is this for kind of like a nice little like spring look? Maybe with blue jeans instead of black jeans. I was just feeling a bit lazy, but look at that. So I think this one's one of my favorites. It actually matches so much better than I was anticipating. Like, look at this color combo. And it's something different, but it's a little bit weird to get used to having it on my wrist like this. Like, I just kind of want to swing it around like that, which isn't the most practical for handbags. But it's kind of, yeah, like, it's very comfortable to wear. I'm just like, how do I have my hand? Do I just like let it flop? Or am I meant to hold it like this? Like, it's great for photos, but I'm like, don't really know how to hold it, but I love the style of it. I think it is like a wrist strap. I think that's how it's meant to be. But it's really cool, and it's a really like nice size. Oh, I just realized I got it back too front, but it doesn't exactly matter. But I wear this kind of deep green a lot. I just wear it green a lot. It's a bit of an obsession, but I think this looks really nice, and I love the fact it's got like gold hardware because I always wear gold at the moment, so yeah. I like this one. I'm just like, how do I... Yeah, love it. For the white one, it would just be rude not to put on my favorite outfit again, and just, it's such a look, and I love how it sits. It's such a nice length handle. I normally always go for bags that like sit quite low, but I didn't realize I actually really like them kind of sitting above, and this shape having the kind of arch here, it's really nice like on my hip. I don't know, I really like this, and I think it just goes really nicely with this kind of outfit. It is a yes from me, and they do this bag in multiple colors, so maybe I'll get it in a few just as a staple because they do really nice browns, and I think I'm definitely getting more into that sort of color scheme, but that's how I'll style this one. Okay, this is exactly what I hoped for. This denim bag just goes so perfectly with all my denim looks. I say all, but like the ones I brought with me at least, and look at this, like together with this jumpsuit, it's almost such a perfect match. It like blends in. I'm just in love. Like, how perfect is this combo? Like, this is the reason I chose this bag is literally because of this outfit, and I was really hoping it was going to be a perfect match, and it is. Look at that. Oh, new favorite kind of bag combo. I'm in love with that. Like, if you guys like to wear kind of denim pieces, pick yourself up a denim bag. Like, it works so well. Like, I'm just in love with that. Just look at that. Isn't it just so perfect? Obsessed. So I have to be quick with this one because I am losing light now, so it's about to get dark very quickly, because here in Greece we lose light by about like 3 o'clock. It's really sad actually. That's not much different to England, but it makes filming with natural light a little bit tricky. So I think you can still get the gist of my outfit. So I've got these gorgeous brown kind of flare corduroys on, and I just matched it with a nice like knit jumper because I thought the colours are just kind of matching. It's not quite as vibrant as the brown of the bag, but I think it's cute. I think it works. And voila, we have the final look. So I'm literally obsessed with all of these bags. I will link them all down below along with the video that I filmed a few days ago of me unboxing them if you want to see them a bit more in depth and a bit more detail. But they're so gorgeous, such high quality, and yeah, I just really recommend them. But I'll also try and link my outfits as well down below, but it's a complete mix of random stuff I've had for many, many years, charity shop stuff, thrifted stuff, stuff from Fashion Nova from a long time ago. These are recent. I got them here in Greece actually. These are just Pull and Bear, but I will try and link stuff if I can find it, but I just realised the pockets are like out. The only thing with these jeans is, oh, the pockets were both completely out, is they're like almost low rise on me, and so the flies always come undone because of my hips. So I have to do all those tricks where you like hold up the flies with a safety pin, not a paper clip or an elastic, but then they're perfect. But I love corduroys and they're so cute to wear with like boots and jumpers, and now a gorgeous handbag. So yeah, really recommend. But thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I really hope you enjoyed. See you next time.